Title: Electrical Vehicles Market. The electric vehicle (EV) market has experienced significant growth in recent years, driven by advancements in battery technology, government incentives, and increased public awareness of the environmental benefits of EVs. However, one of the major challenges facing the EV market is the cost to consumers and issues related to testing driving and range anxiety. In this academic passage, we will explore these challenges in more detail. Tesla, led by CEO Elon Musk, is widely considered to be the most influential company in the EV market. With a market capitalization of over $800 billion as of early 2022, Tesla is by far the largest EV company in terms of market value. The company's electric cars, including the Model S, Model X, and Model 3, are some of the most popular EVs on the market. Tesla has also made significant investments in battery technology and charging infrastructure. Other major automakers have also entered the EV market in recent years. General Motors, for example, has announced plans to launch 30 new EV models by 2025 and has set a goal of phasing out gasoline-powered vehicles entirely by 2035. Similarly, Volkswagen has committed to investing over $86 billion in EVs and autonomous driving technology by 2025 and has plans to launch 70 new EV models by 2028. In addition to these established automakers, several newer companies have emerged as front-runners in the EV market. One example is Rivian, a US-based startup that has developed a line of electric pickup trucks and SUVs that have been praised for their performance and design. Another is NIO, a Chinese EV maker that has rapidly gained market share in China with its innovative designs and advanced battery technology. The growth of the EV market is wider than passenger cars, however. Companies such as Tesla, Daimler, and Volvo are also investing in commercial electric vehicles, such as trucks and buses, which have the potential to reduce emissions from the transportation sector significantly. The cost of EVs remains a significant barrier for many consumers. While the prices of EVs have come down in recent years, they are still typically more expensive than comparable gasoline-powered vehicles. This is partly due to the high cost of batteries, which are a key component of EVs. However, as battery technology continues to improve and economies of scale are achieved through increased production, the cost of EVs is expected to decrease further in the coming years. Another challenge for the EV market is test driving. While many consumers are interested in purchasing an EV, they may only hesitate to do so after first test driving the vehicle. However, dealerships may not always have EVs available for test drives, and consumers may have to go out of their way to find a dealership that does. In addition, some consumers may be hesitant to purchase an EV due to range anxiety, which is the fear of running out of charge while driving. However, as charging infrastructure improves, and the range continues to increase, range anxiety will likely become less of an issue for consumers. To address these challenges, governments and other organizations have implemented various incentives and programs to encourage EV adoption. For example, some countries offer tax incentives or rebates to consumers who purchase EVs, while others have implemented emissions regulations that favor EVs. In addition, some automakers offer free or discounted charging to customers to encourage the use of charging infrastructure. In conclusion, the electric vehicle market faces challenges related to the cost to consumers, test driving, and range anxiety. However, as battery technology improves and charging infrastructure expands, these challenges are expected to become less significant. In the meantime, governments and other organizations are working to encourage the adoption of EVs through incentives and programs. As the market for EVs continues to grow, these challenges will likely be overcome, leading to a cleaner and more sustainable transportation system. Potential questions. What factors have contributed to the growth of the electric vehicle market in recent years? What is one of the major challenges facing the EV market in terms of costs to consumers? Why are batteries a key component of electric vehicles, and what impact does this have on the cost of EVs? What is range anxiety, and how does it impact consumer behavior when purchasing electric vehicles? What incentives and programs have governments and other organizations implemented to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles? What are some benefits of electric commercial vehicles, and which companies are investing in this technology? How do newer companies such as Rivian and NIO compare to established automakers in terms of innovation and market share? What impact is the electric vehicle market growth likely to have on the transportation industry in the coming years?